Hello. Life is good. Life is good right now. Nature is waking up now, and it goes fast. And every year, I feel that I try to grab it. I try to, experience and cling on to every thing happening. The first butterflies, the first bumblebees, the first grass, the first green leaves is a fantastic time. I think we will now, I will look for some signs of spring. So let's do that. Let's see if we can find some very early spring signs today. First, a spring sign for me is the anthills, the ants starting to wake up. So let's go and visit the ants. Okay, here's an anthill. So we'll see if they are home. Okay, sorry. Okay, they said it's too early. It's too early. So we must be quiet. Okay, we must be quiet. We can come back in a couple of weeks. Here, they're actually already awake. You can see here. What you can see happening on an anthill like this is that when the sun starts to warm, they gather on top in the spring of the anthill, and they absorb the light. So they clump together like a black mat. I will show you later, to absorb light. And I guess they then they go down into the nest and they heat the nest up in that way. So that's really, this is a spring sign for me. And here we have a larva, or a caterpillar, maybe it's called. This is it's a moth or butterfly caterpillar. I don't know what kind it is, but very, very early for them. They two of them. I guess they have hibernated. They have hibernated during the winter, and here comes the ravens. Yes, they have hibernated here, and I guess this year they will transform into a butterfly. So that's nice. And down here we have this is grass, and it's this is a new plant for this year. So the grass is early in the spring. But yeah, that's maybe also have found some spring signs. And I wish you a good week. Take care, and thanks for watching. If you're new here, if you want, please consider subscribing if you want to follow me along this spring. Yeah, have a good week, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Okay, take care. Bye.